Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will do English Reader Class 1, Chapter 6, Festivals of India. Learning objectives, talking about different festivals, evaluating the essence and importance of having a good time with our families. तो हम क्या जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में कि हम लोग फेस्टिवल्स को किस तरह मनाते हैं और उसे डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके बाद हम इवैल्यूएट करेंगे यानी कि देखेंगे और जानेंगे कि किस तरीके से हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ फन टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. वार्म अप. We celebrate festivals with numerous objects like sweets. Take those that remind you of festivals. Decorative items. Do we use decorative items in festivals? Yes. Shirt. This is a new shirt. Do we wear new clothes in festivals? Yes. Kites. Do we fly kites in festivals? No. Candles and diyas. Do we light candles and diyas in festivals? Right. Seesaw. Do we play with seesaw in festivals? No. Chair. Do we use chair in festival? No. Sweets. Do we eat sweets in festivals? Right. Mobile phone. Do we use mobile phone in festivals? No. Gifts. Do we receive or give gifts in festivals to others? Yes. The people of Friends Colony are happy today. They are celebrating Diwali together. All the houses in the colony are clean and white, washed. People have decorated their houses with flowers, candles and lamps. So, यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स कॉलोनी के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? दिवाली सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और सबके ही घर क्या है? बहुत ही सुंदर डेकोरेट हो रखे हैं कैंडल से, दिया से और सभी के घर में वाइट वॉश हो रखा है. We see tiny lamps in front of many houses. Mrs. Sharma is distributing sweets to everyone. So Mrs. Sharma क्या कर रही हैं? सबको स्वीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रही हैं यानी बांट रही हैं मिठाइयाँ. Ashok, Harpreet, Rahil, Paul and Swati are enjoying the sweets. They say thank you auntie. और बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? उन स्वीट्स को बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं और फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? थैंक यू बोला आंटी को. दिवाली इज कॉल्ड द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. वी ऑल्सो डेकोरेट आवर हाउसेज विद लाइट्स ऑन क्रिसमस. दिवाली क्या है? दिवाली लाइट्स का त्योहार है यानी हम दिवाली पे बहुत सारी लाइट्स जलाते हैं, दिए जलाते हैं, लैम्प्स जलाते हैं. और क्रिसमस पे क्या होता है? क्रिसमस में भी वो लोग अपने घर को सुंदर सा डेकोरेट करते हैं. हाउ डू यू सेलिब्रेट ईद राहिल? राहिल, तुम ईद कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हो? वी ऑफर नमाज इन द मॉस्क्यू ऑन दिस डे. मदर्स प्रिपेयर्स अ लॉट ऑफ सिवैया एंड स्नैक्स. आई फील गुड इफ ऑल ऑफ यू कम एंड शेयर दोस विद अस. तो राहिल क्या बताता है? राहिल बताता है हम नमाज पढ़ते हैं मॉस्क्यू में जाके और हमारी मदर जो है बहुत सारी सेवैयाँ और भी बहुत सारे फूड आइटम्स रेडी करती हैं और मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी अगर तुम मेरे घर पे आओगे और वो सब शेयर करोगे यानी खाओगे. We also celebrate Guru Parv with great pomp and show. On this day, we go to Gurudwara and offer prayers. We eat from a common kitchen. It is called langar. Please come and share langar with us on this festival. तो वहीं पे एक पंजाबी लड़का भी बताता है कि हम भी गुरु पर्व मनाते हैं. उस दिन हम गुरुद्वारा में जाते हैं, प्रे करते हैं और कॉमन किचन जिसे कि लंगर कहा जाता है वहाँ पे लंगर खाते हैं और वो सबको इनवाइट करता है कि प्लीज आप लोग भी आएं और लंगर खाएं. Find meaning. Pomp. A show of wealth and splendor. Prepare. Make. Decorate. To make more attractive by adding beautiful or festive things. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Share how you and your family celebrate Dussehra with your classmate. So, kids, here you can see picture of Dussehra Mela. So, you will discuss with your classmate that how did you celebrate Dussehra with your family. What do you have done? What do you have eat? What kind of clothes did you wear? So, आप ये सारी क्या करेंगे? Discuss करेंगे अपने classmate के साथ. Cross curricular connect. Learning by doing. Your teacher wants all the students to take a pledge because of the noise created during recess. Write a pledge on Dove that you will always follow the path shown by Mahatma Gandhi. Your teacher will help you to write it. So, we will write pledge here. I will not make noise, but will play and have fun with my classmate during recess. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Let's play the crossword puzzle and see who is the smartest and fastest among all. Good luck. Across, down. 1. One of Santa's reindeer. Rudolph. 2. Christmas month. December. 3. Santa's helpers. Elves. 4. He hates Christmas. Screws. 5. December 25th is Christmas. Six. You hang them by the chimney. Stockings. 7. Christmas drinks. Eggnogs. 8. On Christmas morning, we unwrap our gifts. 9. The name of a popular snowman. Joy. 10. A famous Christmas carol dash to the world. Frosty. Logical decision making. On Diwali, people burst crackers, it causes pollution. Our environment is our major concern. We should try not to pollute or harm it. Look at the pictures given below and answer the following questions. Observe both pictures carefully and logically decide how we can keep our environment clean. On Diwali, what are the steps we should take to live in a clean atmosphere? So kids, this question you will do by your own self. You will see these two pictures and observe them, and you will write in your own words how can you save and clean your atmosphere on Diwali. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. A. Why are the people of Friends Colony happy? People of Friends Colony happy because they were celebrating Diwali. B. Who are enjoying the sweets? Ashok, Harpreet, Rahil, Paul and Swati are enjoying the sweets. See, whose mother prepares a lot of simaya and snacks on Eid? Rahil's mother prepare a lot of simaya and snacks on Eid. D. Write the names of all the festivals discussed. The name of the festivals that are discussed here are Diwali, Eid and Guru Parv. B. Find their meanings. A. Distributing, to share. B. Tiny, small. C. Sweets, sweet dish made up of sugar. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. People decorate their houses using flowers, lamps, and candles. On Diwali, B. We offer dash in the mosque on Eid, namaz. C. We go to dash on Guru Parv, Gurudwara. D. Tick the correct option. 1. The people of which colony were celebrating Diwali? First, Asrani colony. Second, Lodhi colony. Third, Friends colony. Third, Friends colony. E. Match the following. Column A, column B. 1. Diwali, festival of lights. 2. Namaz, mosque. 3. Common kitchen, langar. Conceptual understanding. Priya, a 10-year-old girl from Nagaland, is going to her grandparents' place for her summer holidays. She goes to the market with her mother to buy a few things they need for the journey. Fill up the last space to complete the conversation. Here you can see pictures and some conversation. So we will read these conversation and complete the last space of conversation. How dirty this place stinks, be careful. Mummy, are you hurt? No, I am fine. Someone must have sprayed something here. So kids, here you can see what's going on. बच्चा जो है वो मार्केट जाता है मदर के साथ और वो देखता है काफी ज्यादा गंदगी हो रखी है, काफी ज्यादा बदबू भी आ रही है. और सेकंड पिक्चर्स में क्या है, बच्चे की जो मदर है वो गिर जाती है. बेबी, हाउ कैन वी कीप आवर एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन? हम अपना एनवायरनमेंट कैसे क्लीन रख सकते हैं, बच्चे बताओ. बाय थ्रोइंग वेस्ट इन गार्बेज, saving water, planting more trees, can help to keep our environment pure and clean. Communication, reading skills. Look at the picture and write 4 sentences about it. So here you can see picture of celebrating Diwali. So we will write 4 sentences about it. First, Diwali is festival of lights. We decorate our homes with flowers, candles, and lamps. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. On this day, Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya after 14 years. So kids, here your chapter is finished and see you in next class.